guys, how you doing? Dave inside Sarani. Getting ready to take a little mini trip tomorrow in advance of our cross-country trip that's going to be coming up the end of this month, as I'm recording this, the end of July. But I want to show you something. So this being a 2007 van, and even though it is in like immaculate condition, I mean, just look, the thing is just incredible. There are a few features that it does not have, and one of the things that I'm really wanting is an outdoor thermometer to sense the outdoor ambient air temperature. So I went over to Walmart and picked up this little thing I'm going to show you right here, and I mounted it right on my dash. It's very, very stable. And I don't know if you could see very well the temperature. Yes, 78 outside, and in the van it's 82. It's extremely stable because I mounted it with this, I'm not sure if you ever used these things before, but it's actually 3M dual lock tape. It's kind of like Velcro, but it's much stronger. I do not use Velcro anymore, just because this stuff is just so much better. There's no comparison. In my mind, Velcro is actually horrible, and there's no comparison. So check this out on Amazon. It's there, 3M dual lock. Get different sizes, but it's the same thing that we attach the the Easy Pass to our Easy Pass right here to the windshield. But also, whenever you have a thermometer like this that you put on aftermarket, there's got to be a sensor outside. Where do you put it? Well, take a walk with me. I'm going to show you. Take a walk with me over into the van, outside of the van. I'm going to show you right now where I mounted it. Okay, so I'm outside of the van right now. They say to keep it away from the engine compartment because it's going to get a lot of heat from that, as well as keep it away from the elements, from the rain, snow, ice, as best as you can. So I went ahead and tucked it underneath the plastic portion underneath the bumper, just right underneath right here. Actually, no, I take it back. Let me crawl up underneath the van. I'm gonna show you. I was gonna put it there. I was gonna put it on the plastic portion, but I actually found a better place once I was underneath. So crawl up underneath with me here. Let's see if we can do this together. You're going under the van with me right now. And what I did, if you can see this right here, it's a little hard to probably see, but it is. And I use the same kind of 3M fastener right here. So it's basically under the inside of the bumper. Here's the bumper right here, the plastic bumper. Very hard to tell, but I fastened it, and it's extremely stable. I mean, this baby is not going anywhere, but it's good enough. I can pull it off if I want to change the batteries every once in a while. I'm guessing maybe once or twice a year you have to change the batteries. But that's where it is. If I can come back out of here right now safely. This is where you gotta have really good abs, really good strong abs to work underneath of a van. Anyway, that's where I put it. We're gonna see how well it works. Follow me up. I'll try to do some video on the road trip that's coming up. Here, let me turn this around just so you can see me for a second. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of video on the road trip that's coming up over the next day or two. It's a preliminary road trip, very short 2-day road trip, 2-day, 1-night road trip, because I happen to be speaking at a conference and playing a little song on stage at a conference. So follow me there. We'll see if we can get a little video footage there. If not, I'll check you very, very soon. Until next time, I'm Dave. We're road tripping across the United States of America really soon. Stick with me. I'm going to give you some little helpful hints, things that I'm doing, and you're going to be able to hang out with us as we road trip across with my wife Yoko and our cat Boo Boo. See you there. See you later. Bye.